Today we are doing something awesome.
Red hot 1,000 degree
Get it on.
axe and also sledgehammer.
Fuck yeah. 1,000
Man,
degree sledgehammer. Man with the GoPro.
I gotta set it in.
That thing's gonna take forever.
4 a.m. Oh yeah. Heat that.
This is going to take forever.
Yeah, just set it down. Like,
Get it.
This side's so cold.
Going my thumb now.
Want to touch it?
No, I can see it in the.
Oh boy. She's gonna die.
what's that?
It was pretty hot. It's steaming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
It was pretty hot. It's steaming.
Yeah.
Well. Well.
Oh yeah. Girls, watch out. Girls back. Girls. I got it at 120 FPS, so just slow-mo that down.
I'm not gonna hit it. 5 bucks.
You'd be surprised. You hit it. It's like shorted that in freaking 120
Dude.
FPS.
That is a legit.
It's slowly starting to red.
Which one? That one?
The one I just took. Go ahead.
There is no other one though. There's another can, but he doesn't have another thing.
It's still kind of hot, and that was like a couple minutes ago.
Like literally, I'm pushing pressure on it. It's just melting away.
That's awesome.
It's burning the freaking dye too.
Oh my god, dude.
You gotta heat one spot first and work your way.
Dude, right there we go. Oh yeah.
Get the GoPro.
Oh my god, is it turning red?
Yeah.
Oh my, I can't grab your GoPro.
Just start moving up.
Oh my god.
Keep moving up and down.
That is turning red as shit.
Keep it all right.
It's so cold, it cools too quick.
Go up top, up top, up top, go up top.
Yeah, it cools too quick.
Wait, make one part really red so I can get a good thumbnail.
Oh, at the bottom. Yeah, since it's already like hot.
Alright, you're almost ready? And kind of like move away for a minute, please.
Tell me when you're ready.
Alright.
I'll keep eating it.
Oh my god, dude. That's awesome. Oh my god, dude. Do that again. Do that again.
I know. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh damn.
Oh my god, dude. That sizzles. It's sizzling.
It looks burning it. Because the wood's wet. It's gonna smell really bad.
It's sliced through the fucking.
Alright, so we're gonna smash that shit.
It wasn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna
It was still pretty cool. I mean,
But it was gory
If you
because the water.
did it.
it was pretty cold.
It's probably fun as hell.
It
to do.
was fun as hell to hit it. I hit it once off camera, but it was pretty cool. Yeah, for sure. That was a fun time. Definitely a cool thing to do. More of stuff like that for sure. We just have to buy better materials.
Oh, I want to do it. Can I slice it?
Slice that cheese. What was that? Alright guys, so peace out guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Look at my leg.
Have a great one.
How did that happen?